Sir, we are from Scandinavian News Finland, and this is the district administrator who he has arranged all these kind of Ramba Samba and rituals and everything which came from India, from the world. So sir, it is really congratulations to you. Under your leadership, there is a tremendous security beefed up. The Nankana is cordoned off, there is a cleanliness and everything is going perfectly. You welcome people from India. Sir, how your take on all these things that India finally allowed the pilgrim from India to come to Pakistan, sir?
First of all, I thank you for coming to the Pakistan and covering this event. This is a mega event, and this is the only event which Sikh community celebrates all across the world. And this event is as pious as Hajj for the Muslims, Tirath Yatra for the Hindus, or Vatican City for the Christians. But District Administration and Nankana Sahib and Government of the Punjab made all the arrangements for the betterment of the Sikh pilgrims. And this is somehow very sad. One country is not allowing the people of Sikh community to visit their sacred place, that is India. And we have allowed everyone from all across the world to visit Pakistan. We will give them security, we will provide them food, we will provide them transportation, logistics, boarding and lodging. We will provide every facility which they need. We will take care of their health services facilities as well, and transportation as well. In the end, I am thankful at least some of the Indians were allowed to come to Pakistan. This is a good thing. But I think there should be free travelling system between India and Pakistan. It should permit all the Sikhs to perform their religious rituals freely in Pakistan.
Sir, I have a final question to you. That the Sikh community from all over the world is very thankful to you. You are a district controller, you are a deputy commissioner of Nankana Sahib. This is, I think, your second consecutive year that you are leading the district. District is really going fine, cleanliness, everything. We are from Europe, sir. We appreciate that too, because this is our home district. Sir, what do you think that India allowed pilgrim to come to Pakistan? Should not Pakistan do some measurement to build a relationship with India too, sir?
Thank you very much for appreciating the efforts of the Government of the Punjab and District Administration. Again, I would say there is nothing wrong on the part of Pakistan. Pakistan is taking every CBM, Pakistan is taking every step to build confidence building measures. But that problem is with India. Pakistan has allowed 7,000 Indian Sikh pilgrims to come to Pakistan, and Pakistan has stamped each visa. And if there is a request from Indian side to stamp 1 lakh visas, Pakistan will allow. There is mutual understanding between the two countries. 3,500 people will come to Pakistan in each November to visit Nankana Sahib. India has not allowed even 3,500 people. There is no obstacle created by Pakistan. Pakistan is very open-minded. Pakistan foreign policy is very open, and Pakistan always promote pluralism. You can see people of all faiths are living in Nankana Sahib. Muslims are living in Nankana Sahib. Sikhs are living in Nankana Sahib. Christian community is living in Nankana Sahib. Hindus are also peacefully coexist with each other. I would request the international community and UN as well to bound down the Indian government to allow them to visit their religious places in Pakistan and all over the world.
Thank you, sir. You are our Deputy Commissioner too, sir. Thank you very much. It was nice meeting you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.